everybody. What? Well, how was Star Wars The Force Awakens then? What? Put your comments below and Formula Fan answers the questions. What? So, I'm Simon, the talking puppet parrot. I'm the new vlogger on Formula Fan. Hey, it's finally here. It's Star Wars, The Force Awakens. Yay! Yay! With a new droid called BB-8. BB-8 was a Sophia robot. Wow, I saw BB-8 when he goes like fast like a racing car, or that. Dun 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 dun. Star Wars is back in town. So, Star Wars is an American film, and it's for family action adventure. Well, I'll see you more soon of Talking Puppet Parrot. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon. What? Very soon, everybody. Bye bye. Walk, 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 walk. Enjoy Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Dun 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 dun. Bye bye. Walk, walk, walk. Bye bye. Bye bye. Walk.